Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken burger patties. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground chicken, which is the perfect amount for about 4 patties. Next, grab your favorite seasonings like salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder to enhance the flavor. Don't forget a large mixing bowl and some parchment paper to make the process smooth and easy. We're aiming for delicious, juicy patties. Now, let's get our hands a little dirty. Place your 1 pound of ground chicken into the large mixing bowl. Sprinkle in your chosen seasonings evenly over the meat. Using your hands, gently mix everything together. The key here is to combine the ingredients thoroughly without overworking the chicken, which can make the patties tough. Aim for a consistent blend where every bite will be flavorful. With your seasoned chicken mixture ready, it's time to form those perfect patties. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. This helps ensure even cooking. Roll each portion into a ball, then gently flatten it into a patty about 1 inch thick. A helpful trick is to make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging in the middle while cooking, keeping them flat and uniform. Finally, let's cook these delicious chicken patties. Heat a lightly oiled pan or grill to medium heat. Place your patties down and cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Once done, serve them on your favorite buns with all your desired toppings. Enjoy your homemade chicken burgers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.